In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use keyboard shortcuts in Trello. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Trello is an excellent tool for managing projects, and if you want to work faster and more efficiently, mastering keyboard shortcuts is the way to go. Let's dive right into it. First up, we have navigation shortcuts. Navigating through your Trello board can be a breeze once you know these tricks. You can use the arrow keys to move your selection between different cards and lists. Just press the left or right arrow to navigate across different cards, and the up or down arrows to cycle through lists. If you're ready to open the currently selected card, just hit the Enter key. And if you change your mind about opening a card, or need to cancel your current action, tapping the Escape key will do just that. Now, if you're working with a long list, it can be tedious to scroll down to the bottom. To save time, you can use the Home key to jump straight to the top, or the End key to go right to the bottom of your list. Isn't that handy? Next, let's talk about creating and editing cards. If you want to quickly create a new card, just press the letter N. It's that simple. You can create a new card anywhere on your board in an instant. If you've already created your cards and want to edit one, hover over the card and press the E key. This allows you to quickly rename the title without having to open the card. Such a time saver. Moving on to organizing tasks, you'll want to make sure everything flows smoothly. The spacebar can help you here. Just hover over any card and hit the spacebar to assign it to yourself instantly. Simplifying ownership of tasks has never been easier. If you need to move a card to another list or board without dragging it around, just press the M key. This will open the Move menu, making it effortless to get things where they need to be. And if you find that certain cards are no longer relevant, you can archive a selected card quickly by pressing the C key. Just like that, your board stays clean and organized. Now, let's look at labels, dates, and searching within Trello. To manage labels efficiently, simply press the L key while a card is selected. You can also speed things up by using the number keys 1 through 9 to apply specific colored labels. This is especially useful when categorizing tasks at a glance. When it comes to deadlines, pressing D will open the date picker, allowing you to set or edit a due date on a card in a snap. This keeps your tasks timely and ensures you won't miss any important deadlines. Finally, if you're looking to sift through your cards, the F key opens up the filter menu. This enables you to narrow down the visible cards on your screen by keyword or label, helping you focus on what's most important at any given time. And there you have it. By incorporating these keyboard shortcuts into your Trello workflow, you'll be amazed at how much time you can save and how much more productive you can be. Don't forget to practice these shortcuts, and you'll become a Trello pro in no time. Happy organizing!